Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to June the 23rd of 2025, and we are on day number 74. Day number 74 of this Miley Gen Secret ClickBank challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, as you can see in front of you, previous videos, if you have no idea what's going on at all, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, a 365-day challenge, right? 1 year, okay, of using one offer on ClickBank, okay, in the make money online niche, okay, and we are using a service called Miley Gen Secret Traffic, and we're putting those two together, guys. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so, okay? So pretty much that's what this video series is about, guys. It's about sending out emails to this traffic using affiliate links from ClickBank, and we're going to see if we can make money doing so. Okay, so let's get right into it, guys. We've made it to day number 74. I'm excited to be here. This right here is the My Gen Secret system back office. Now, if you have no idea what My Gen Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every single day, someone is coming in. You got new people coming in every single day, okay, that you can get in front of. All right. Now, what separates the two of 100 to 200 is how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, with the cool thing about Miley Gen Secret System, you can have multiple accounts. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys how to get started. I did leave a link below this video. Okay. All you would have to do is come down here to this link. Okay. Click on the tiny URL, click on the MLGS True Freedom, and go ahead and get started. All right. So go ahead and get started at the link below, guys, so you can follow along with me and you can kind of do the same things that I'm doing. All right. And just a little bit about myself with the My Gen Secret system. I've been doing this, guys, with My Gen Secret over a few years now, guys. I've been in this internet marketing space over a century. Okay. So that kind of shows you, how old I am. But I've been doing this for a while, guys. I've promoted, so many different programs. I've had so many different mentors, that I've followed and learned from, and spent thousands of dollars to learn stuff and to, get burned on programs as well. So I've been doing this for a while, guys. So this space is just I feel like it's my space. Okay. Just like a lot of other people that has been doing this for a while and have been making money online as well. I mean, it's just the same type of story. If you've been doing it for a while, you kind of know the idea and the known programs and methods and things that actually really make money and how to really make money online. All right. So I have multiple income streams. I'm showing you guys one of these multiple income streams in this method. Okay, with the My Gen Secret and ClickBank. Okay. Now, as we get, further along with this channel, okay, I will eventually do other stuff. But right now, I told myself that I'm only going to do one thing at a time. All right. I'm going to only show you one method at a time. I'm not going to show you all the other income streams that I'm doing to earn income because I don't want to, show you guys one thing and then show you another thing, show you another thing, and then show you another thing. Okay. What you need to do, what you need to concentrate on is mastering one thing. Okay. One method first. Okay. Master that one method. Start earning income from that first before you start going on to something else. Okay. And one of my mentors, he told me that before. Okay. Instead of, looking at all the shiny objects, out here in the internet space, find you a mentor, learn the method, okay, and duplicate what that person is doing and just keep doing it until you earn income, all right? And then once you start earning income and you get that going, then you can go off and do other stuff, all right? So cool. My cool thing about My Gen Secret, like I said, you can get these multiple accounts. Get started at the link below. Now, after you get started, you're going to have an affiliate link. Okay, your back office is going to look exactly like mine, guys. Okay, the only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay, that's the only difference. Okay, now you're going to have these tabs coming across. You got your My Leads here to show you how many leads that you got. You got your swipes if you want to buy more emails. This is where you're going to be hanging out, guys. It's going to be the mailing system. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Gen Secret system. All right. So let's go ahead and go here, guys. We want to click on select all. What that does is it transfer all of these emails over here to the portal. So that way, when we send out an email, it goes out to a lot of people. Okay. And this list that I have is one of my accounts. I have over 178,000 people. So I can send out one email. It's going to go out to all of those subscribers. All right. So if you guys sent out an email in Gmail or Yahoo, Bing, whatever you use for email, okay, Outlook, there's a subject line and then there's a body of text, okay. So if you guys know how to send out a basic email, you can do this method. It's super easy to do, okay. So all we would need to do is grab the subject line. Now let's go over and grab the offer that we're using. Now the offer that we're going to be using from ClickBank is called Social Sales Rep. It's in the Make Money Online. It's in the network and e-business. It's in the e-business, e-marketing section of ClickBank. Okay. And if you don't know what ClickBank, I'll explain what ClickBank is here in a moment. But this offers that we're going to use is called Social Sales Rep. And you actually don't have to promote this offer. This is just the offer that we're using for this challenge. Okay. Now they have other business opportunity offers that you can use, and you don't even have to use ClickBank. You can go out and use Warrior Plus. You got Max Bounty. You got Blue Media Ventures. You got so many different networks out there that you guys can go promote whatever as long as it has a business opportunity offer. Okay. Now, um, with Social Sales Rep, I'm only picking ClickBank because it's free. Okay, it's not a time period that it takes for you to get on. It doesn't take a week. Sometimes, like with Max Bounty and these other networks, it does take maybe a couple days, a few days to get on. But if you guys go to clickbank.com today, you can get started today, create a free account, and start promoting some of those affiliate networks, some of those business opportunity lead offers that you can promote, and you can just get right to it. You don't have to wait. So that's why I'm doing this for this challenge. All right. Now, I've created a brand new ClickBank just for you guys, just to show you this method and how to do it. All right. So this is the offer that we're going to use. And now all of these business opportunity offers, guys, do have free email swipes. Okay. And these email swipes convert like crazy. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here. Let's go ahead and grab one of these emails and let's go ahead and send this email out to our traffic. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here and let's just go ahead and grab this email right here. Okay, this looks good. Okay, make $30 an hour with live chat work. All right, so let's go ahead and grab that. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then Control V. Boom, super easy to do. Look, took me a few seconds to do that. Okay, guys, come down here, click on perfect timing. Now, right here, I've already sent out my email today. You can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. So you want to come back here. You want to grab this body right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab that. Okay. And then Control C. Now, underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link. Okay. This link goes with this email. Okay. So all we have to do is we want to look for a call to action bold text, which is a call to action means something that tells you what to do. Like click here, apply now, get started now. That's a call to action phrase. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to turn those phrases into clickable links in our email. So that way, when our prospect reads our email, all they have to do is click on that link and it'll take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page does all the selling and telling for us. Okay. We don't have to do anything. So that's the cool thing about affiliate marketing, guys, because all we have to do is get our prospect to the offer, and then the offer actually basically does everything for us. Okay. So all we're doing is just playing the middleman. Okay. It's super easy to do. So let's go back over to the mailing system. Let's go ahead and paste that in. Let's go ahead and Control A, Control V, Control A. And I like to make this either 16 or 18. Okay. Whichever one you guys see fit. Okay, and then I would like to do is I want to take the signature out. I either want to put in management or put in your name, whichever one, guys. Okay, and we want to make that. Let's go back to 18, right? Okay, and then we want to come up here, and then where it says hide name, we want to take this out, and we want to put in our prospect's first name. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Control C. We want to come back over here, and then we want to Control V. All right. So, boom, we just did that. All right. And then let's go ahead and make that a little bigger there. All right. Okay, boom. All right. Everything looks good. So now when this email goes out, it's saying like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, like, hey, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email. Okay. And then we're able to, and I like to make it a little bigger. Sometimes I like to space these sentences out to make it a little bit easier for my prospect to read this email. Okay. So Let's go ahead and just space everything out here. All right, looks good, right? And then what we want to do, that email looks really good. So all we would do here is we want to come here to that bold text, to that call to action. And I want to turn this whole sentence into a clickable link. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and click on the link tab. And we want to come back here over here to the offer. Now we want to copy and we want to copy this link. This is your own personal affiliate link. And what you want to do is you want to take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. You want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, okay? Your ID, okay? So let's go ahead and grab that and let's go ahead and paste that in, Control V. And then let's take this out and you want to put in your affiliate ID, the one that you made up whenever you created your account, all right? So let's click on OK. And then what that does, it turns this into a clickable link, okay, guys? So that's pretty much it. And then down here is going to be two buttons. One is going to say preview and one is going to say click here. Okay, you want to click on preview the ad first, click on this link, make sure that it goes to your affiliate link, all right? And then how you do that is whenever you click on this link, you want to look in the URL and you want to make sure that it has your affiliate link in the URL, okay? So that's very important before you send out these emails because you want to get credit for the emails, okay? You don't want to send out something that something that doesn't work, the link is broken or whatever. You want to make sure that it works and it goes to your page. That way you can get paid for the commission. Okay. So now that we've previewed that, let's go ahead and click on send now. Boom. We just clicked on send now. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. Okay. Now, if you guys, missed this, presentation, rewind this video and go right back through it step by step. Okay. On how to do it because it's super easy to do. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. Now, if you guys want to get started with My Lead Gen secret system today, go ahead and subscribe to this link. Subscribe to this channel, okay? At the link below, okay? Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Now, to get with My Lead Gen secret, it does cost a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a $30 a month to keep the service. All right, which is a no-brainer. All right. Every affiliate marketer out here, everybody needs traffic. Okay, that's one thing that you will need in this business. No matter what you're doing, you're always going to need traffic. Okay, so think of this investment as something that is an investment for you to build your business. All right, so you signing up with me is not going to make me some kind of millionaire. All right, so sign up for yourself. Okay, sign up under the link below. Okay, get your accounts, get multiple accounts, and then those accounts will be yours, not mine, but yours. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys how to do this. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the system. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is is a network platform that you're going to be able to go to, okay? And you're going to be able to pick different niches, okay? Now, ClickBank has niches anywhere from make money online to health and fitness to cooking to, spirituality. They have so many different offers, which are really, really good offers, okay? But the traffic that the offers that we're looking for with this traffic right here, guys, is business opportunity. So these people care about making money online. Okay. That's all they care about. Okay. So our job is to go out and grab an offer such as this right here. Okay. And we want to basically entice our customers with a offer that shows them how to make money. All right. Very, very, very easy, guys. Okay. And if you can grasp this concept, then you can do what I'm doing here today. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're making thousands of dollars here, guys, doing this, okay? Because that's not how this works. This is not some kind of lottery ticket offer, okay? But if you put in the work, you will see the progress and you will make money, okay? It's just that's just how it is, guys. Like I said, I created this account a few months ago, and I did it just for this challenge personally, okay? So in the beginning, okay, it was a little rough to getting started. And as we gradually started sending out emails every day, it started to grow. Okay, so this is the commissions that we got here, guys. We've been earning income every other day or every day. It looks like okay, and as you can see, versus the old videos, that these commissions are starting to get closer and closer and closer together. This is exactly what I was telling you guys. Okay. So this offer, the reason why I'm promoting this offer, because it has a $20 rebill each and every month. Okay, so we do the work one time, we get paid the $20, and then after that, that next month we get paid $20 again. Okay, so what ended up happening is that we get stackable $20 on top of each other. Okay, so we'll have those $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days. Okay, those and on up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for within this year that we're promoting this offer, is that we have those kind of days. All right, but right now we're just in the beginning. We're only just a few months in. Okay, guys, it does take a little bit to get going. Now, also, it can take quicker for you. Okay, you may see results within your first week. You may see results in your first month, maybe a couple of months, maybe 4 to 6 months that it may take you. It just depends on your account. Okay, but if you're somebody that's motivated and you want to earn the extra income like this, you're going to be able to do that, and then you're going to be able to start earning that extra income that you need. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Let's see how we did today. Okay. Today is the 23rd of June. Okay. Now, the offer that we're promoting is social sales rep, which is right here. We got 798 hops today. We got 481 unique hops. Okay. These are brand new IP addresses, brand new people. Right. We did get one order form impression. Okay. This is somebody that went to the checkout page. They whipped out their wallet. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Unfortunately, guys, we didn't get any new trial sales coming in, but we did get a rebill of $20. Okay, now this is not from. I'm not sure if you guys been following these videos, but a couple days ago we did get a sale. Okay, no, I think it was yesterday we got a sale. Okay, and that sale should come, in a few days from yesterday, which will be like Wednesday or something like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and find out where this sale came from. Okay, let's go ahead and go over here to the accounts tab. Okay, and let's click on your nickname. Let's go down here. And as you can see, we're earning these little commissions right now. Okay, let's go ahead and click on today. Okay, let's find out where that came from. All right, let's go ahead and click on here. Now let's see here. All right. Okay, so this came from last month's email. Okay, last month at the same time on the May 23rd, and today is June 23rd. Okay, we earned a commission on last month. Okay, this offer is a rebill. So when someone is making money with the system, they're going to stay with the system. Okay, and then they're going to get rebilled $20 over and over and over and over again. So this right here, I'm starting to stack these $20 payments on top of each other. Okay, so this is from last month. Okay, super easy, super cool, guys. Like, this stuff is awesome. All right, so this is the power of this offer, okay? Because it's going to rebuild over and over and over and over again. And then the money, guys, that we're earning, okay, this is just chump change right now, but this is just going to start to grow. And as you can see, it's growing, right? 60 to 80 to 74, 100. It's going to be 200, 300, 400, 500. It's just going to keep going and going and going, guys, right now. Okay. So stick with me on this, guys. Okay, I'm just showing you the income potential. It doesn't look like a lot right now, but I can tell you that if you keep working at it, guys, it's only month 3. If you keep working at it, we're going to get consistent, payments every single day. All right, and it's exciting. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video on that note. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system, and then I also wanted to show you the results from the emails that we sent out last night. Okay, and we did get some traffic. Okay, and then we did earn a commission today from a rebill that we got last month. All right, which is pretty awesome. Now tomorrow, I sent out my emails tonight. We're going to come back here tomorrow and we're going to check those emails that we sent out and see how we did on those emails. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.